it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to another card video. So if you missed last Wednesday's video, I mentioned that this was going to be like a two-parter. So in that video, I used scraps from the holiday card series to create a really fun shaker card. And in today's video, I'm going to make the same kind of background and we're going to turn it into a Valentine's Day card. So I am using a, I think it's Tula and Norbit Valentines from last year from Photo Play. I don't like moles. I don't like moles or gnomes, but this collection is just so stinking cute. And I used a lot of this paper during the holiday card series. So anywho, that's it for the jibber jabber. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. You can follow me over Instagram. I'm at TheJollyFatElf. So let's head over to the craft table and I'm going to walk you through this fun little Valentine's Day card. All right, friends, here is a look at the sticker sheet that I'm going to be using. So I'm coming at you from cold and frosty Dallas, Texas. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you got any of the ice or snow, etc. over the last few days, I hope you have been able to stay warm, keep your electricity, etc., etc. So this is definitely going to be very similar to the card that I shared with you guys last week. I am going to add in a couple of pops of pink because of the images I'm going to be using, but these colors are in that sticker sheet, and that's kind of where this idea came from. So again, I'm just layering my pattern down. I'm using the exact same pattern. And again, you can do this with cardstock. You can do this with pattern paper. Saving your scraps can be a pain, but it can be really, really worth it. I love how that last card turned out. I really love this one too, but the last one has my heart because it's a Christmas card. All right, so I'm going to keep doing this and just kind of chit chat with you guys. I'm not doing anything real serious or hard work. I hope you guys are doing well. As I mentioned, we've had an ice storm here the past couple of days. I am currently working on a destash. I am going through my collection. Anything I haven't touched in the last 2 years is going to be in that destash. I kind of just want to make way for, well, number one, I want new bookcases. That's kind of the main reason why I'm doing it. Right now I have 2 Calyx shelving units, and they work, but I kind of want something that's closed, like I can put doors on it, and I need a new desktop. So when you guys purchase from me, I always put it in either into the craft room or it helps to pay some bills. So once I've trimmed off all the extra paper on that, here's the pink. I believe this is Melon Mambo from Stampin' Up. I'm going to cut that with my largest rectangle die, and then I'm going to bring in the second largest and cut out the I cut out a black piece of paper because I felt like it needed a piece of black to go marry them together, because there's no pink in that pattern that I did, but I want to bring in pink. So a way to kind of bridge that gap is to add a black piece of paper. So I'm going to cut that out, and then once I do that, I'm going to decide that I want to cut out the other one even smaller. As you guys know, if you've been with me for forever, you know that I do not make anything ahead. You're basically seeing my sped up version. So I haven't decided when that destash is going to be. Probably in the next week or so, if I had to guess. I am trying to go through everything in the craft room. So I'm even considering selling some inks. I'm even considering selling, some things that I haven't touched in forever. Again, I really want bookcases. That's kind of number one why I'm doing it. But also, it doesn't make any sense to hold on to stuff that I'm not getting any use out of. And maybe once I've, reconfigure my desk and get new bookcases, then I can start rebuilding my stash and doing more with you guys. So I will be restarting my collab, our equality collab. We're shooting for the 14th. But we will definitely let you guys know. If you are any kind of crafter, soap maker, if you knit, if you crochet, if you make cookies, if you do earrings, anybody, and we're going to open this up to anybody in the crafting world who wants to participate. We're not going to do it as a blog hop or an Instagram crop, because I hate those. I I hate those. So we're going to do something a little bit different. Michael and I haven't had an opportunity to work out the kinks, but we will have an announcement about that pretty soon, and I will let you guys know. If you haven't already, be sure to check out Stamp Anything. I am over there a lot, every Friday, and I posted part 3 of a diner card I made. It turned out so good. So good. So one of these days I will repeat that over here and walk you through a different one. I think that would be really, really fun. So leave me a comment down below letting me know what techniques, etc. you want from me over the next couple of months. I don't know how often I will be posting. It's been hard for me to get my crafty mojo back. And like I said, I really want to get these bookcases. That way I can finally get you a craft room tour, even though I've still been talking about it for like 6 years. I'm going to get you one, but I want it to be done and completely finished before we do. All right, so I decided to pull off these little Cupid gnomes. I believe I picked out 3, and I'm going to add some foam tape to the back of them. And then we're going to get those in here. Then I'm going to pull out a sentiment for the outside, and we're going to put a sentiment on the inside. I also haven't decided how I'm going to sell my cards going forward. Right now, my Etsy shop is just on vacation. I haven't been able to haven't been able to bite the bullet and close it completely down. It would be an end of the era. Like, I started that years and years and years ago selling ornaments, and it kind of morphed into cards. So it's kind of bittersweet, you know what I mean? To kind of bringing that part of my life to a close for now until I can figure out a better platform for sure. So once I add the sentiment to the outside using foam dots, I'm going to add the sentiment to the inside. That's going to be the end of the card, and that's going to be it for me for today. So again, hopefully we will have something on the 14th. Keep a lookout for that. I am going to get around to playing with that clay. Right now it's in the box on the floor. So, yeah. Best intentions, right? Best intentions. All right, friends, here is a look at the card in real motion. And then I'm going to bring in the Believe card and you can see how they look together. But other than that, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Again, let me know in the comments what you're interested in seeing the most, and I will keep you updated not only on the collab, but also the D-stash as well. All right, friends, I love your faces. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.